From a electrical perspective, the key is that the electrical conductivity of copper is very low, and so so that means that you're able to conduct electrical current in the copper with minimum resistance. If you were to do this with if you were trying to use, say, steel wire, the resistance would be so high that the wire would begin to get very, very hot. And the copper in general, I mean, it's a it's a body-centered cubic material, and it can, if it's oxygen-free, okay, you're able to form it without it work hardening too much, okay. If it has some degree of oxygen within the chemistry, it'll work harden more upon bending it and so forth. And so, and many applications where copper is used, it tends to, they want to have oxygen-free, which is more expensive. But you'd be able to, when it's thin, it can be flexed and so forth. And so even like with flex circuits, okay, you have copper in those, within that, within that circuit. If you look at a printed circuit board, okay, and those sites for where you'd be doing soldering and so forth, they would be, they would tend to be copper, and so the key is that if you were soldering, you would end up having to use some type of flux, because the thing that copper does do, it'll oxidize. And then when that happens, then if you were to be trying to solder to it, or even welding, those kinds of joints would not be very good, because you have that, you have that issue. But it's the really good thermal conductivity that it has that allows you to, it allows you to be able to use it for all these electrical things in a very cost-effective manner, because there are other materials that have maybe even better electrical conductivity properties, but they're more expensive. The resistivity is going to increase when you have more impurities of oxygen, within the grain structure. So, but even if you do that, that resistivity is not going to be as high as aluminum. Okay, so it's going to be worse than it is for if the copper was was pure, and but as you try to reduce that, that's where the cost goes up, for that material. But it will definitely increase. And then if it's an if it's in a flex joint, okay, whereas you might have something that's on a robot that's moving, the material itself, the copper, will not be as flexible if it would be if it had less oxygen in it. So it's two things. You got that mechanical aspect to it, as well as the resistivity.